Hi guys, we're just testing out the new PLL 11 here, and we're just doing the low frequency PLL lock test and also the frequency response of the audio. The low frequency is really important for processors to be able to operate correctly. If they don't have that response correctly at the bottom end, it causes all kind of overshoots and what have you. What was interesting, while I was doing this test, I was able to take the input right down to 5 Hertz and it still receives it. I mean, just watch this. I'll just put the volume up. Now, I don't know if you can hear that. That's 50 Hertz. And what I like to do is make sure that at 50 Hertz we don't see anything on the loop, on the PLL loop as a correction voltage, because it starts to correct the frequency, does the modulation. Anyway, that's another story. But anyway, we were testing this. The oscilloscope's looking at the correction voltage going back to one of the varicaps to keep the frequency stable. But I started turning down the frequency, and I can turn down that's at 50 Hertz, but I can reduce it, and 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 you can hear it going down. Now, you probably can't, I don't know if this will record this, but let's look at the speakers. I go down. Right, we're going to go down in frequency, we're going down, we're going down, and we're going down, and now we're so low in frequency that I can barely hear anything, but I can still see the speaker. Right. We're still down. Now, we are down to about 5 Hertz there. And the speaker's actually going in and out at 5 Hertz. There's obviously no sound, because you're not going to hear 5 Hertz. It's just wind moving backwards and forwards at 5 times a second. But what's really, really amazing is that is being transmitted through our dummy loads, and then it's being received by this Denon receiver up here, going through the Denon amplifier, being sent to the speakers, and this whole system, which really is only designed to work down to 20 Hertz, is still resolving 5 Hertz. That's quite incredible, you know. So I thought I'd share that with you. I was just doing the testing, and I thought that's really, really amazing, you know. The whole kit and caboodle resolving 5 Hertz. Incredible.